All right, Mickey, what do you got to tell the good people of the internet about Impact Solutions?
25 Harley Davidson, what is this thing? Softail Lowrider ST, 117 HO. All he did was put an air cleaner on it, a pipe on it, and he wanted the quick shifter, and he wanted the best it could be for tuning. No motor work. It's got an Impact Solutions in it. I think when we got done, and this thing made, hang on, hold please. Load stock. Load stock. 117 and 126. 125, 126.
Yep.
That's a pretty powerful motorcycle to do this on a Gen 1 is $6 grand, $7 grand. This bike's making 120, 126. That's what it's making. And it's got an electric shifter.
So it's dyno tuned to perfection.
Yes.
And now you're going to show everyone what the quick shifter looks and sounds and feels like.
Exactly. On a stock bike, nothing fancy, air cleaner pipe and an impact. Tune, turn on the quick shifter.
Let's fire it up. Holy shit, Mickey.
And we got auto-blip.
That's aggressive, man.
Yeah, so you can upshift without a clutch, you can downshift without a clutch.
That is a Harley Davidson hot rod.
Harley Davidson hot rod, stock, 117 HO. Again, pipe, air cleaner, 120, 126, 119, whatever it made. Auto shift up, auto blip down. It's like an R1.
0 to felony in 2.5 seconds.
That's right.
Or...
This will definitely pull tickets, won't it? Anyways, have a good one.
Oh yeah, buddy.